Spokane Public Schools taking a stand against suicide. Good evening and thanks for staying with KXLY4. I'm Aaron Luna and this is Nightside. In 2016, nearly 19% of Spokane County youth seriously considered attempting suicide. 15% made a plan and almost 9% attempted suicide at least once. New on Nightside, Spokane Public Schools is making a push to stop suicide. It's hosting a symposium tomorrow. KXLY4's Annie Bishop is live in the studio. And Annie, the district says it wants to encourage parents and students to talk about suicide.
Yeah, and the idea is to make that conversation a little easier, open the communication between kids and parents. Suicide is serious and it's affecting kids in our community as young as junior high.
Macy Zenishek never got the chance to walk the halls of Rogers High School. She took her own life at just 13 years old.
He was bullied tremendously. She took her life on the 22nd of March 2 years ago.
Macy was a student at a Spokane public school. The district now working hard to prevent any other family from suffering this heartache.
Last year, it became evident with the continued attempts and completions that we need to pull together systemically as a community.
Chris Moore with Spokane Public Schools is organizing a suicide prevention symposium set for Thursday night. A panel of experts will be on hand to answer questions.
We need to build the community capacity, families' capacity, everyone's capacity to be able to identify signs and symptoms and to be able to step in and provide support and know what resources are out there.
Moore says parents need to ask their children if they're considering hurting themselves.
And there is a misnomer out there that if we ask the question, it's going to plant a seed. And it's actually far the opposite. If we don't address it, it's going to push the kids further away, and they're more apt to do it if we don't engage in those conversations with them.
Macy's parents also on a mission to prevent suicide, asking kids to be kind.
And that suicide prevention symposium set for tomorrow, March 29th at North Central High School. There will be a resource fair from 4 to 5:15 and a panel of experts from 5:30 to 7 o'clock. They will be available to answer your questions about suicide prevention. This is open to the entire public. Reporting live tonight, Annie Bishop, KXLY4 News.